Hello, good morning, everyone. Welcome to SPS online classes. That means Scottish Public School online classes. To all classes. Today we will discuss. The subject is mathematics. Today we will discuss on subject is mathematics. Basically आज हम लोग मैथ पे डिस्कस करेंगे. स्पेशली क्लास 8. स्पेशली क्लास 8 और हमारा जो टॉपिक है स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट्स. दैट मीन्स द टॉपिक इज स्क्वायर एंड स्क्वायर रूट्स. So let's start without wasting your time. Square and square root. So that means suppose that x square. Square that means a number is multiplied by 2. The number is multiplied by itself in 2 times. Square that means 2. Square that means 2. The x square. The x square can be written as x into x. X square can be written as x into x. That means x square. Suppose that 4. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. That means 2 का whole square. That means 2 is multiplied by itself in 2 times. 2 is multiplied by itself in 2 times. 2 or 2 is a natural number. Suppose x is a natural number. X is a natural number. सबसे पहले इसको डिफाइन कर देते हैं. Let's write the definition. Write the definition. Square. SQUARE square. 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 The square of a number is the perfect. The square of a number. 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 The square of a number is the product of. Is the product of. Is the product of the square. The square of a number is the product of. The square of a number is the product of. Is the product of the number. Product of the number. Product of the number with the number itself. With the number. With the number itself. It with the number itself. With the number itself. I told you like that. Suppose that 4 is square of 2. 4 is the square of 2. That is square root of. Sorry, 4 is the square of 2. That means 4 can be written as 2 into 2. That means 2. So that means 2 is the number or multiplied by itself. The square of a number is the product. Is the product. That means multiplication. The number with the number itself. With the number itself. With the number itself. Is the number itself. Second one is perfect square or square numbers. Perfect square. PERFECT. Perfect square. SQUARE. Perfect square. Perfect square. Perfect square. That means suppose that 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 15 and on so on. These are the natural numbers. These are the natural numbers. 1, 2, 3. These are the natural numbers. Out of these numbers, 4, 8, 4. So 9, 16, 25. Dot. That means rest of the numbers. Rest of the numbers. These are the perfect square. These are the perfect square. These are the perfect square. That means 4 is the perfect square of 2. 9 is the perfect square of 3. 16 is the perfect square of 4 and 25 is the perfect square of 5. 25 is the perfect square of 5. These are the perfect square. These are the perfect square. Define. A number is called a perfect square. A number is called a perfect square. A number is called a perfect square. A number is called a perfect square or a square number or a square number. Square number if it is the square of natural number. Square of some natural number. Some natural number. बेसिकली किसको हम लोग बोलेंगे परफेक्ट स्क्वायर? ए नंबर इज कॉल्ड अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर और अ स्क्वायर नंबर इफ इट इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ सम नेचुरल नंबर. इट इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ सम नेचुरल नंबर्स. वैसे मैंने लिखा यहाँ पे. दैट मीन्स 1 का स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स 1, 2 का स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स 4, 3 का स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स 9, 4 का स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स 16, 5 का स्क्वायर, दैट मीन्स 25, दैट मीन्स 25. These are the perfect square. These are the examples of perfect square. So we can write that example. Suppose 1 का स्क्वायर दैट मीन्स 1, 2 का स्क्वायर दैट मीन्स 4, 3 का स्क्वायर दैट मीन्स 9, 4 का स्क्वायर दैट मीन्स 16 and 25 का स्क्वायर दैट मीन्स 25 on so on. These are so 1, 4, 9, 16, 25 are the example of perfect square. Are the examples of examples of perfect square. Perfect square. Examples of perfect square. These are the examples of perfect square. Simply how to calculate या फिर how to know which number is a perfect square. Simply how do we know? That means how can I know which number is a perfect square? Suppose that 196, suppose that 32, suppose that 64, suppose that 56. How can we say that which number is a perfect square? Which number is a perfect square? So before that, we will find the prime factor. We will find the prime factor. The prime factor, how we will find? It means 196. The prime factor like that. First of all, the number is multiplied by the small number. The number is multiplied by the small number. Suppose that's 1. So 1 से obviously multiplied, divide होगा. Sorry, divide. First of all, please mention this point. First of all, we will find the prime factor of the given number. So 196 is the given number. We are going to find the prime factor. Prime factor, that means 2, 3, 5. Similar LCM. Similar to LCM. 2. That means 9, 8, 2, 4, 9. That means 7. ये 9 2 से लगेगा, 9 3 से लगेगा, 9 5 से लगेगा, 9 6 से लगेगा. तो basically 4 not a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 6 not a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 8 not a prime number, 9 not a prime number, 10 not a prime number, 11 is a prime number. So almost you have to divide this number by a prime number. That means 7. 7 is a prime number. That means 7. 7 can be divided 1. 7 can be divided by this way. So now is the prime factor is, that means 196 can be written as 2 into 7 into 7. So 196 can be written as 2 into 2, 7 into 7. So that means 2 and 2. So that means 2 का square into 7 का square. 2 का square into 7 का square. So that means 196. That means 2 into 7. That means 14. That means 14. That means 14. 14 का whole square. 14 का whole square. That means 14 का whole square. So 14 का whole square. 14 का whole square. 14 का whole square. Hence, the 14 is the number whose square is 196. The 14 is the number whose square is 96. That means 196. अब देखो simply 196 will be equals to 14 का whole square. यही ना. अब 196 can be written as 14 into 14. That means 194 को हम लिख सकते हैं किससे? 14 into 14 लिख सकते हैं कि नहीं? कि number is multiplied by itself 2 times. 14 into 14 equal to 196. So therefore we can say that 196 is a perfect square of 14. 196 is, therefore we can say that 14 is the number whose square is 196. या फिर 196 is the perfect square of 14. 196 is the perfect square of 14. क्योंकि अगर 14 का पावर हम 2 करेंगे, इसको अगर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 2 times 14 into 14, it will be equal to 196. On the basis of these statement, we can say that 196 is the perfect square of 14. Perfect square of 14. Perfect square. Perfect square of 14. Or hence 14 is the number whose square is 196. In other words, 14 is the number whose square is 196. whose square is 196. Another example. So only one thing is keeping in your mind. First of all, you have to check, if you want to check which number is a perfect square or not, we will find the prime factor of the given number. Second number is second example. Suppose 1764. 1764 is a perfect square or not. So let's find the prime factor. 2 times सेकंड सबसे पहले 8 17 ना, 17 को अगर 8 से डिवाइड करेंगे 9 से करेंगे तो 18 हो जाएगा. 8 से 16 कितना बचा? 1 8 2 2 टाइम्स 4 4 1. नाउ ये 2 से कभी नहीं लगेगा. क्यों? क्योंकि ये क्या है? 1 है. तो 1 कभी 2 से डिवाइड नहीं लगता है. दैट मीन्स सपोज दैट only for even number 2 से डिवाइड लगता है. It is a even number, it is a even number, but 441 is not a even number. So now we'll try to divide 3 by 3 by 3. तो 3 से अगर इसको डिवाइड करेंगे 3 बन जा 3. कितना बचा? 4 में 3 को माइनस करो 1 14 4 टाइम्स से 12 4 दिया 12 यानी कि 14 था. 14 में 12 गया क्या? 2 1 21 7. अगेन 3 टाइम्स 4 2 जा 4 3 जा 4 3 जा 20 सॉरी 4 3 जा 12. तो 14 में 12 को माइनस करो 2. अब नाउ 27 9 3 जा 27 and second the 7 and second 7. That means the 1764 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. So that means 2 का होल स्क्वायर इंटू 3 का होल स्क्वायर इंटू 7 का होल स्क्वायर. So that means 2 into 3 into 7 का होल स्क्वायर. दैट मीन्स 3 दूना 6 7 42 42 का होल स्क्वायर. 42 तो 1764 is the perfect square. Is the perfect square of 42. Is the perfect square of 42. So 42 is the number whose square is, we can take the hints 42. 42 is the number whose perfect square is whose square is 1764. 1764. Another example. Example number 3. The number is so that is 6292 is not a perfect, is not a perfect square. Perfect square. So that 6292 is not a perfect square. Simply 6292. 2 times 3 1 4 6. 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 6. 2 1 ja 2. 4 2 ja 8. 1 16. 2 times 1 5 7 3. 1 5 7 3. Now 1 5 7 3. तो ये 3 से लगेगा 5 नहीं लगेगा. 3 से नहीं लगेगा. 6 से तो लगेगा नहीं, क्योंकि 6 मेरा प्राइम फैक्टर है भी नहीं. 6 मेरा प्राइम फैक्टर है भी नहीं. 7 से लगेगा. 7 से लगेगा. 7 2 जा 14 1 17. 7 2 जा 14 33 नहीं. तो फाइनली ये डिवाइड होगा 11 से. 11 1 जा 11 4 4 47. 11 4 जा 44 3 143. दैट मीन्स 13 से लगेगा. 13 1 जा 13 13 1 जा 13 11 13 13 1 जा 13 13 1 जा 13. 143 कैन बी डिवाइड 11 टाइम्स से. दैट मीन्स हाँ ये आपको 11 टाइम्स हो जाएगा. 11 टाइम्स हो जाएगा 1 और 3 और फाइनली 13 इज 13. तो 6292 can be written as 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 13. So that means 2 square into 11 square into 13. That means it's not a perfect square. It's not a perfect square. It cannot be expressed as a product of pairs of the equal factors. That means इसको हम लोग कभी भी that means इसको कर सकते हैं, इसको हम लोग लिख सकते हैं कि 6292 ये पेयर cannot be expressed as a product of pairs. Cannot be is expressed as a product of pair. That means इसका तो पेयर कंप्लीट है, इसका पेयर कंप्लीट है, बस 13 का पेयर नहीं है, इसका पेयर नहीं है. That means it cannot be expressed as a product of pair. That means इसको हम लोग एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते हैं किसमें, as a product of pair में. That means वो नंबर क्या हो जाएगा मेरा, ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं होगा, ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं होगा. तो हम लिख देंगे 62 इज नॉट अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. तो hence 6292 is the number is not a perfect square, is not a perfect square. Perfect square, SQUARE, perfect square. So 6292 is not a perfect square. Another example. Another example, 3675. Another example, इसको भी क्वेश्चन सिमिलर है. सो दैट 3675 इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. सो दैट 3675 इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. सिमिलरली अब देखो लास्ट में क्या है, 5 है. अगर ये 5 है तो ऑब्वियसली ये कभी भी 2 से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. लास्ट में अगर 5 है इट कैन बी डिवाइडेड बाई 7, मे बी 7 35, 5 25, 9 45, 3 15. तो ओनली इट कैन बी डिवाइडेड बाई 3, 5, 7 और मे बी 9. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल ट्राई 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 3 2 जा 6, 3 5 जा 15. That means this way. Now 3 4 0 8. No, लास्ट में रिमाइंडर 1 छोड़ देता है. दैट मीन्स 5 टाइम्स लगा दो. 5 2 जा 10, 5 4 जा 20. नाउ 5 5 जा 25. नाउ 5 4 जा 20, 9. नाउ 7 7. नाउ 7 1. दैट मीन्स 36 75 can be written as 2 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7. So that means 2 into 5 का स्क्वायर that into 7 का स्क्वायर. That means अगर इसको हम लोग प्रोडक्ट ऑफ पेयर, that means प्रोडक्ट ऑफ पेयर में अगर इसको हम लोग एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते हैं, इट कैन नॉट बी एक्सप्रेस इन द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ पेयर. दैट मीन्स अगर इसको एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर सकते हैं तो ये स्क्वायर रूट नहीं होगा. तो कहेंगे फाइनली hence 36 75 is not a perfect square. Perfect square is not a perfect square. Is not a perfect square. क्वेश्चंस इज एक्सरसाइज से बेसिकली ये क्वेश्चन जो एक्सरसाइज इज 3A एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर इज 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर इज 5. एक्सरसाइज 3A क्वेश्चन नंबर इज 5. द क्वेश्चन इज टू फाइंड द लार्जेस्ट number of टू डिजिट. लोग बात करने बंद कर दो, कमरा कर था. 2 digit which is a perfect square. which is a perfect square. Which is a perfect square. तो find the largest number of two digit. Largest number of two digit कहने का मतलब हो गया, suppose that largest number, the smallest number of two digit is, that means 1 0 10. It goes like that 99, 99, because after the 99 100, that means three digit. ये हो जाएगा 3 digit. The smallest number of 3 digit is 100 and the largest number of 2 digit is 99, and the smallest number of 2 digit is 10. The question is largest number. So 99 is not a perfect square. 99 is not a perfect square. That means it can be expressed as a product of pair of prime factor. That means 3 3 3. That means 3 11. That means 3 into 11. That means 3 का होल स्क्वायर इंटू 11. That means ये परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है. So similarly 99 not possible. Similarly 90 not possible. That means 81 is the number. 81 is the number. It is the perfect square of 9. That means 81 9 9 9 9. That means 81 is the 81 can be written as 9 into 9. That means 9 का whole square. 9 का whole square. That means 81 is the perfect square of 9. 81 is the perfect square of 9, and it is also a largest number of 2 digit. 89 is the largest number of 2 digit and it is the perfect square of 9. 80 largest number of 2 digit कितना हो गया? 81 हो गया. एंड ये क्या है? परफेक्ट स्क्वायर भी है और किसका? 9 का. ये क्या है? परफेक्ट स्क्वायर भी है और किसका? ये 9 का. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, ये भी एक्सरसाइज का है. फाइंड द लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ 3 डिजिट्स विच इज द परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. कहता है फाइंड द लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ 3 डिजिट्स. फाइंड द लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ 3 डिजिट्स विच इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. विच इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ 3 डिजिट्स. बेसिकली हम देख लेते हैं कि नंबर 3 डिजिट्स का कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है. दैट मीन्स 100 1 2 3. तो 100 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर ऑफ 3 डिजिट एंड इट्स गोज टू 999. It goes to 999. It goes to 999. The 999 is the largest number of 3 digit. 999 is the largest number of 3 digits, but it's not a perfect square. But it's not a perfect square. Why? Because it cannot be expressed as a product of pairs. Because it cannot be expressed as a product of pairs of equal factors. इक्वल फैक्टर्स. तो हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? अब नंबर चूज करना पड़ेगा. सपोज अब 99 परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. अगर सपोज दैट अगर 4 डिजिट बोलता है, क्वेश्चन इज 4 डिजिट, द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर ऑफ 4 डिजिट इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर. दैट मीन्स 1000 अगर बोलता 4 डिजिट, इट कैन बी पॉसिबल. बट 99 नॉट पॉसिबल. 99 नॉट पॉसिबल. दिस क्वेश्चन इज गोज टू यू. दिस क्वेश्चन is goes to you. This question is goes to you. That means it's your homework. So finally, now it's time to stop the conversation. That means it's enough for today. We'll discuss rest of the topic our next class. So do something at home. That means homework. The exercise is 3A. The exercise is 3A. Exercise is 3A. I hope you will understand all these things. And finally, that is enough for today. We'll discuss rest of the topics and the rest of the questions we will solve in our next class. तब तक के लिए bye and have a nice day.